guys? It's Nia! Today I'm finally showing you guys my room tour in the new house. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and also comment down below always. Anyways, I'm showing you guys my MTV crib. If you didn't check out my old room tour, make sure you go check that out because yeah, it was pretty cool, but this one's I think a little more mature. Also, I want to give a big thanks to my amazing talented mom for designing my room. Love you, Mom. Let's get into the video. Bye. Just kidding, I didn't roll off my bed. I wish I did.
You've been living. She says he puts you through it. You shouldn't let him do it. And if there is a voice in your head, don't listen to it. My mind is open wide, I think of it 1,000 times. That empty space left in my bed from when we stayed the night. We were fucked up, but you still made sure I slept on my side. I still wake up wishing you're there when I open my eyes. I'm trying to understand these days. I need to know if you're feeling it, or I'm wasting my time. Your way or mine. Spend every second with him. You're taking what you're giving. Your mother don't approve of the way that you've been living. She says he puts you through it. You shouldn't let him do it. And if there is a voice in your head, don't listen to it.
Guys, that was it for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And also comment down below what do you think was the cutest thing in my room, as well as video suggestions and song suggestions, which you can be commenting always. I appreciate you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye, loves. Thank you for watching my MTV crib. Peace. Alright guys, that was it for my MTV crib. Oh my god, I'm so cringy. No, what? Oh, it is. Also, I want to give a special. What's up, guys? It's Nia! And today, I'm finally showing you that.
Every second with him, you're taking what you're giving.
Just kidding, it's just my bedroom. And it's. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe.